Yeah, take a look at this particular setup right now, and you know what we can actually see right here is they are just normal basic thing that I want you to just pay close attention to see how this particular price played out. Although this particular day is NFP, that's non-farmer payroll, so you can just make your finding about it. So you can make your finding about this non-farmer payroll. So I was a little bit skeptical about taking a trade on Friday but one thing that changed my mindset was like, okay, price action has been very, very poor all through the week. So I was like, okay, let's see what Friday can give after the news. So I waited for the news almost maybe 1 hour after the news or an hour after the news before I take this trade. So now let's dive into the video quickly. I'm taking out the indicators coming. So okay, all right, indicators. I can't even find where the indicators are right now. So okay, hide all right. So this is the war market right now. So okay, what I did was I was waiting for price, and what we normally do is I trade based on liquidity, which is how market maker do take their sales, meaning that market makers bank on liquidity, bank on sections, New York sections, London section lows, New York section high. These are where they take their buys, these are where they take their sales. A lot of things are still coupled with a lot of setup or a lot of pattern. So do you get? So I'm actually looking at previous day New York high and New York low. So price was around New York high and New York low. So what I did was I picked this out right now. So okay, so New York section started around 12 at this point, okay, to around 6. This is the high right now. So, and again the next day I'll be looking at the Asian range liquidity. Okay, so the Asian range liquidity is around this point. That's around this side, so 6 right now. So okay, so this was the ranges now. Yeah, so I'll be looking, I'll be expecting price to come and break it. Okay, I'm actually looking for price to break it. So price really did price really did break this high, and this was where price broke it. Look at it, price broke the two ranges right now. So breaking it was actually part of a confirmation for me that okay, then we can start looking for sell. But before I start looking for a sell, I had to wait for the news. Like I said, I waited for the news, and after the news I was like, okay, so I waited for the news. This was the news right now. So look at this. There's one thing that actually gave me a hint, because a lot of people might be looking at this week and they might not want to trade, but look at what I did right here. I changed I changed this chart type to lines to see the real movement of the price. And look at the movement of the price. Do you see? You can actually see the wick. There's no wick. This is the real transaction. So not just candles. The real transaction is when you view the market based on line graph, and that's what I just did here. I converted it to a line graph. So this is it. It means that that they want to sell. So, and again, what I did again is let me change it back. So meaning that the wicks is irrelevant right now. So what I did was, okay, let's go back. Okay, sorry, let's go back to line. So what I did was I waited for price actually. After hitting the liquidity, price came down to big structure, but after the news, then look at price. So this will be your entry right there. This will be your entry on this edge. The lower time frame should give you a confirmation. So after the confirmation right here, so then your stop loss should be above this high. So then you take your trade. So it means you're not actually forcing anything. You are just looking for price to react to what you are doing, and that is exactly what they did right here. And I was like, okay, wow, this is really interesting because it gave out the exact thing that I was looking for, and I wasn't expecting it. I begin to realize that majority of your winning trade will be trades that you don't really put mind. Will be trades that you don't really put your mind that, okay, I actually want to make profit from this trade. There are trades that will pay you more. So whatever you do, I feel like the psychology of everything is you don't put your mind in it. You don't expect that this is what you want to gain something. So, and that's how life works. Everything about life is based on psychology. Like, if you want to win anything in life, it's all about psychology. Although there are still some things that come in place of you putting on the hard work, that is another corridor. But in as much that you are putting the hard work, in as much that you are trading, you are backtesting, work with this psychology that you're not expecting much and nothing more. So you keep working, regardless of the result, regardless of maybe the profit. You put your mind outside. And again, all these things can work. All these things can actually work work when you actually you've gotten out to trade. So if you're in that stage of you already know how to trade but you want profitability, that is when this particular thing will work for you. So but if you are still on the corridor of you've not really knows or you didn't really know how to trade, please still go and learn how to trade. So I think that's all for now. If you find this video so helpful, please do it to like, do it to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when I drop any content, you'll be the first to watch it. Have a good time.